Hi guys, welcome to AWS DBA. In this session, we are going to see how we can create the Postgres DB instance using Amazon RDS console. First, you need to sign into the AWS management console. In this page, you need to choose sign into the console. In the sign in page, you need to choose root user. Then you need to choose root user email address. The security check page, you need to type the characters seen in the image. In this page, you need to type your password. This is the AWS Management Console page. If you are first time logging into AWS Management Console, then recently visited services will not display in your page. You need to expand all services and scroll on the page and choose RDS. In the upper right corner of the AWS Management Console, choose the AWS region which you want to create the DB instance. In the navigation pane, choose databases. In this page, choose create database. Then you need to choose EC create. In the configuration section, you need to choose PostgreSQL engine type. In the DB instance size section, we are seeing production and dev or test. We are not seeing free tier option in this page. So we need to choose the standard create option. In the version section, we need to change the 2.7. Now free tier is enabled. Again, we need to select EC create. And make sure you selected free tier in the DB instance size. For DB instance identifier, enter a name for a DB instance or leave the default name. For master username, enter a name for the master user or leave the default name. If you want to generate a automatic password, then you need to select the auto generate a password checkbox. If you want to manually enter the password, then you need to clear this auto generate a password checkbox. Enter the same password in master password and confirm password. This is optional one. Open the view default setting for EC create. You can examine the default setting used with the EC create. The editable after database creation column shows which option you can change after database creation. If it is no, then you can't change the values after database creation. If it is yes, then you can change the values after database creation. Then choose create database. You can view the username password in the view credential details button appears in the database page. Here we are seeing the master username and master username password. In the RDS console, we are seeing the new DB instance details which we created recently. The database state is showing creating status. We need to wait until this state changes to available. Based on the DB instance class and the amount of storage, it will take up to 20 minutes before the new DB instance available. Once database state changed to available, then we can connect the database. Now database state is changed from creating state to configuring enhanced monitoring state. Now database state is changed from configuring enhanced monitoring state to backing up state. Now database state is changed from backing up state to available state. For connecting the database, you can refer next video in my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe and refer to your friends.